Hey you guys, it's the River Guys here. We're at a new spot today, so we're gonna check it out. This is called Happiness Bridge, so let's hope we can find some really cool stuff here. We got loud traffic back here. Hopefully it's not messing with the audio. But yeah, we're using our 360 magnet. This right here is our first throw at Happiness Bridge. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck on our first throw. Maybe I shouldn't throw it so far. Oh, no way. Oh, I'm caught on something. There's something huge right here. Is that a freaking shopping cart? Yeah. You know what we could use? We could use that grappling hook. Is the grappling hook in the bucket? Yeah, we're not playing no games. Grappling hook's coming out. We're getting that cart. We're getting that shopping cart. I see it, so we're gonna get that out. We're getting this shopping cart out with this grappling hook. Okay, I see it. There we go. We got a shopping cart, let's go! It looks like it's been down there and seen better days. It's all bent. That's crazy. Shoppers Drug Mart, if you want your cart back, just give us a shout. We got a shopping cart. We finally got some use out of this thing. Besides that tire we found in the first video.
Yeah.
Make sure you go check out our first video. You'll see us using the grapple hook. I don't know what this is.
What is that?
It's a leaf. We got a leaf. Okay. Where should I throw? Probably more in the middle, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, we got our first piece of jewelry. Yo, that's an earring. The top of it just broke off. It's right here. Earring. Nice. Got an earring. Woo. I wish gold was magnetic.
Yeah.
You know how much money we would be making? I think everybody would be doing this. Oh, we got something. Look at this. I don't even know what this is.
Pull it up.
Oh, no. Yo, we got our first loonie. We got $1. Yo, this is so discolored. Yo, this is a good spot. We're making money. Stealing wishes. Oh. Yo, we just need like 500 more of those so we can get another magnet set. Well, not quite. There's a piece of metal. What is this? We got our first bullet, man. We got a bullet, and it's not even used.
A bullet?
Yo, what kind of bullet is this? Yo, someone in the comments, tell me what kind of bullet this is. I want to get whatever's right there, and I'm gonna go for it. Well, looks like some sort of wire. I don't want to lose it. Yo, no way. Bro, keep an eye on it. What did we get? Ah, it's not a knife. Okay, we got this, and it's attached to something. So we're gonna pull up what it's attached to. Yo. What is this? Is this a magnet? Yo, it's a magnet. We just got a magnet. Yo,
Whoa!
we just got a magnet. Yo, it looks like an old speaker magnet. Someone must have been coming here to try and use this for magnet fishing. We got another magnet. Let's go. We don't need to buy a new one. We got one right here. Like, that's weak. I don't even want to keep it. We're not keeping that magnet. That's trash. Here, we'll move this cart. So we can get a little close up here on this action. Definitely pulling up something. That throw is too good. Too good not to get something. It's too good. Yo.
What?
We found another bullet. Oh, we're building up our army. Let's go. We got another. We got 3 of them. Hold on. Brush that plastic off. There we go. Check it out. We got 2. 2 of these bullets. Yo. Now that's 3 in total. 3 of these bullets that belong to someone's gun. So, if you're throwing bullets in, what's wrong with you? There's something wrong with you.